The verb to be. I am. He, she, it is. We, you, they are. My name is Lisa. I am 21. I am American. I am from New York. I am a student. My father is a doctor and my mother is a teacher. My favorite color is green. My favorite seasons are spring and autumn. I am interested in art. Am is are. How to use in sentences. I am cold. Can you close the window, please? I am 25 years old. My sister is 21. My sister is afraid of dogs. It is 11 o'clock. You are late again. Sarah and I are good friends. I am not hungry, but I am thirsty. Her children are at school. David is ill. He is in bed. I am a taxi driver. My sister is nurse. The weather is nice today. Thank you. That is very kind of you. We are good friends. She is my classmate. I am on my way to school. She is our class teacher. We are the part of success. They are at the cinema. It is a difficult game. They are twins. My favorite color is green. My favorite subjects are math and art. My English teacher is American. I am very happy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.